Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. In this video I am going to show you that how you can identify the changes in the same Excel workbook which is updated later by someone and which changes have been made. So for example, I have two workbooks. One is this book 4 and second one is book 4 updated. I have opened these both files and now I will click on Inquire. This function is basically add-in available in Excel, so you have to make sure that it is checked. I will show it later, so let me show you. uh, there is option available compare files. You have to click on it and then it is already showing both of these files because I have opened both of these and now other Excel workbook is open, so it has auto selected these files. You can select them auto if more than one files are open. So I will click on compare. So it will take some time based on the data complexity and the data range. Now my data is not so big, so it will take very less time. Okay, so this has finished its working. Now let me check which changes have been made, and let me show you another thing here. You can see there are options. You also can uncheck or check based on your requirement. If formula has been changed, it will click on that and uncheck other all things. For example, let me uncheck. I will want to see if structure has been changed. No change in structure. There any change in formulas? No change. Calculators values? No change. Entered values? Yes, for this there is a change. Okay, now it is showing change here that this file is the source export change and it is showing I3 and you can see value 1 was in old version security agent which was later changed into compliance supervisor, and you can see here security agent and here it is showing. You can drag this to so that you can completely see it. Okay, you can see head to head comparison now. So this also there are hours which has been 9 before and now are 10, and these for M8 cell they were 9 and now 13. So you can just check all these 9, 13, and there was 9 and 10. So how to populate this window in Excel? Let me close this and I will show you. If this option is not there, go to file and then click on options. Then you have to click on add-ins. Here you will see Excel add-ins. Click on it and then com add-ins. Okay, click on go. Here you will see inquire. Just check this option and press OK, and this will populate here. So once you have populated this, then you can click on compare files and make sure that your both files are open, so it will auto select them. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.